Alright, so I just picked up the LG Prime 2. I had this LG Prime in 2011, and they finally did the next version. It's actually pretty nice looking. It is 5.5 or something like that. I'm not sure. 5 point something. I don't know. They didn't even turn it on. They had to go in the back. It wasn't even in display yet, and they said we couldn't even turn it on yet for you because they said if I didn't buy it, I don't know, they couldn't turn it on. I don't know, it was weird. So this is my first time turning it on. I didn't even get to see. I just like, I'll buy it because it's only 120 bucks. So this is what it looks like as of right now. While it's booting up, I imagine it just comes with your normal stuff. Yeah, just your normal stuff. Little booklet, charger. I don't know if they have it through any other device. Like, I know it's just AT&T. I don't know if there's any other ones like Sprint or Verizon, stuff like that. I don't know. But alright, so I got to mess around with the phone a little bit. So here's the back of it. It's plastic, so it does show up your fingerprints very easily. This is the power button. This is a Google button. I'll show you. If you touch it, brings you right to Google. It's different. Here's the volumes. Down here, speaker, headphone jack, your charging port, SD, and SIM, power, right here, fingerprint, camera with flash, has a double tap, there, see that a little better. It comes with all these pre-downloaded apps. Settings, we'll go to. So, without downloading anything, this is what it pops up at. It's a 16 gigabyte phone. So I only have 5.59 left. That's before I put in my SD card. I will check out again the battery after I try it out for like a day or two. It does not have a notification light. So if you really want a notification light, I'm sorry to tell you that this don't have one. It's like a 5.5 inch, something like that, screen size. The camera, it's okay camera. It's not the greatest. It's got a little bit of different settings on here, so you can go to full, or if you don't want the full version, you can do like the 13 megapixel one, and so with it not being full, it cuts it off. But if you go to full, I'll show you what the full looks like. Now it's the whole phone. It's different. Here you can either click that right there, or you can slide up as a double tap. That's pretty neat. I was told if you hold this and this at the same time, if it freezes. It says to hold these two down. It said that when I was like booting up the phone. It's kind of weird, but that's kind of useful to know. If you slide it down, it does like all your recent stuff. But as of right now, that's all I know about this phone. I'll do another update on how the battery life is and stuff like that. Thanks for watching.